Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Noorul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm pretty sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity. And this time, yes, your answer should match mine or somewhat different because you have to write the rhyming words. Now, today's B-Lift is very interesting. In the previous B-Lift, we have read a poem. Now we are going to be learning the elements of a poem. What are the elements that made the poem very interesting to you? So we will be identifying what is a rhyme, what is rhythm, what is repetition, similes, sensory images. These are the elements which make a poem very, very interesting. So it is a word called verse. What is meant by verse? Verse are the lines in the poem. Got it? So there are two types of things. One is the sound tool and the other one is picture tool. It is further divided into three parts, which we will be learning in deeply in next few seconds. So the first tool is the rhyming words. We already know that rhyming words are the words that have exact same sound ending, and they are mostly used in most of the poems. For example, night, light, flowers, showers. You can make many rhyming words out of the words. The next word is rhythm. Rhythm means the heartbeat. It means whenever you can read a poem, you can either clap or tap your foot with the beat. So rhythm is one of the most important part of the poem. The next one is the repetition of certain words or either phrases. Simple as this is a single word, but this is a phrase because this is a group of words. Sometimes we repeat words again and again just to put a strong emphasis on the rhythmic beat. The other one is a simile. We use two things. We compare two things while using either like or either as. So when we compare two things using like or as, that is called simile. For example, as busy as a bee, as pretty as a picture. So in both of these cases, we have used as. And the next one is metaphor. We use metaphor when we again compare two things. But in this case, we do not add like or as. For example, time is a thief. We are comparing time and calling it a thief. The classroom was a zoo. We are referring classroom as a zoo. But there is neither like or neither as. So this is the main important thing. In simile, we use as or like. In metaphor, we compare two things without the use of like or as. So the next thing is sensory images. Sensory images means we use certain nouns which enhances our senses while reading some of the verbs in the poem. For example, for the sight, the bright sun setting behind the hills. In this case, the word bright gives us the sense of sight. The sound of the raindrops tapping on the window. While reading tapping, our sense of sound is there in the sentence. The soft, cool breeze. The word soft and cool gives us the sense of touch. The sweet taste of fresh strawberries. So while reading the word sweet, a sense of taste comes. The fragrance of the flower in the spring. While reading the word fragrance, it relevant to the sense of smell. So sensory images are created by using certain words in the poetry, which gives us something very, very important. So sound tools are rhyming words, rhythm, and repetitions of certain words and phrases. And picture tools are similes, in which we use as and like, metaphors in which we do not use as and like, and sensory images are created in our mind by the use of certain words. So this is how a poem is made by using certain tools. Now what you have to do is is to read the poem and identify all of the tools used in it with the help of your teacher. Then go home, do your homework. I hope you have learned something very new and important today. See you again in the next BLIFT. Till then, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.